In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make around $13 per click using Google Translate. Using this method, you will be able to make up to $13.33 for every click that you're going to get, literally with zero investment, without any skills and without making any sales at all. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new CPA marketing strategy that's going to be making you up to $13 per click that you're going to get. And it's so easy to set up that it's going to take you literally just a couple of minutes after watching this video, so you can go out there, set this method up for yourself and start making some money with it too. Now for this, all you're going to require is just your laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time. So even if you have never made any money with CPA marketing before, all you need to do is just make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end, follow exactly what I'm going to show you, and start making some money with it too. Now before we get started, I would kindly like to ask you to make sure to hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, spread this video to as many people as possible, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more money making content, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll be one of the first to see it and make the most amount of money. Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to be using this completely free tool created by Google to make money with CPA marketing. And if you have never used Google Translate before, what you can see right here is that it's pretty much instantly going to translate anything that you're going to input into it to any language that you want to translate it to. We are going to utilize this free feature of Google Translate to make money in today's video, but because Google Translate itself doesn't pay anything at all for using it or for translating stuff, we need something that's going to actually pay us. For that, what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called ogads.com. This is the #1 content locking network out there, and I highly recommend that you sign up for ogads.com because it has one of the best content locking CPA offers out there, and in today's video we are going to be using one of those. Now to sign up for OG Ads, all you need to do is just fill in a bunch of this information, these personal fields, but it's going to be a little bit tricky because OG Ads is going to actually require a reason why they should work with you. So down in the description, somewhere in the description, I'm going to put a link to another video tutorial that's going to help you to get approved so you can do this method too. Once you finish registration on OG Ads, what you want to do is log into your account. And once you log into your account, you want to go to this tools section and you want to click on content lockers, and right here you get to create your very own content locker just by filling out a bunch of these fields. Now pretty much to make money with content locker, you need to have something that you can lock with it that's going to be getting traffic, driving attention of traffic, and every time somebody's going to complete these CPA actions, you are going to get paid. Now if you go to the offers right here, you can see all the CPA offers that are going to be paying you money for each completions, but it's not a lot of money. You can see right here you can get paid anywhere between 85 cents to $3, $4 for each of these completions. So that means you will have to get a lot of traffic to these offers to actually make some serious cash. But if you're going to go to these filters and go to country, you want to filter by country, select France, and if you're going to filter by France, you can see right here that this French offer is going to pay you $13.33 for each completion. And as you can see right here, it's very easy to complete because it requires just an email submit. Now considering email submit is one of the easiest CPA offers to complete, for example, if you're going to check out this PIN number submit, which pretty much requires person to put in their phone number, or this one right here that requires an app to be installed and completed to a certain level, and it's going to pay you $4.23. Considering this offer is going to pay you $13.33 just for an email submit, this is one of the top offers to go for. Now to actually create something that you can lock with this content locker, what you want to do is go to YouTube and you want to search for animal fails. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go through a bunch of these videos and find one that has the most clickbaity thumbnail that you can possibly find. You can also go ahead and be a little bit more specific in the search bar, but for example, if you're going to search for just animal fails, you can see right here at the top is this very funny looking thumbnail of a dog being scared by a mouse, and I'm going to show you how to do this method on exactly this video. Keep in mind, you can pick any video that you want to go with. The process is going to be still the same, but you want to pick one with the most funny and most clickbaity thumbnail out there. So once you find the video that you want to go with, what you want to do is open it up and you want to go down here, and next to the like button, you've got this button that says share. What you want to do there is pretty much click on it and you want to copy this link to the video, and that's pretty much all you need to do on YouTube. Next, you want to go to Google and you want to search for thumbnail grabber. Just type it in there, hit this search button, and what you want to do is go through one of these thumbnail grabbers for YouTube. Pretty much you can use any one of these, but I like using this one for some reason, so I'm just going to use it again. Just go to the thumbnail grabber and you want to paste the YouTube URL into this field, and just like that, it's going to grab the thumbnail from the the YouTube video for you. What you want to do now is just go ahead and select one of these that you want to go with, and I highly recommend that you select one with the highest resolution, the biggest image you can see right there. And in this case, it's going to be either this top one or this third one, or whatever this is. So I'm just going to open it up, then just right click on it and save it to my computer. Once you save it to your computer, you want to go to canva.com because we need to do a little bit of editing of this image. And for that, what you want to do is click on this upload button, and you want to upload the thumbnail from the thumbnail grabber. All you need to do here on Canva is just go to elements section, and you want to search for red circle, and you want to select one of these red circle templates that is not paid. If it has this crown next to it, then it says Pro. That's on paid version of Canva. So unless you are using that already, or you don't want to pay for Canva, you want to select one that doesn't have this crown next to it. So let's go with this one. For example, I'm just going to position it somewhere where I want to draw the attention to of whoever's going to see this image. Once I position the red circle, what you want to do is go back to elements, and this time look for red arrow. Search for red arrow, and once again select one that it's not paid. So I'm just going to go with this one, for example, and position it something like this. Now I need a funny caption that I can add to this image that's going to draw attention a little bit more. And what I'm going to do for that is just go to Google Translate, and I'm going to type in there OMG, oh my god, and I'm going to translate it to French. What I'm going to do next is just copy this text and go back to Canva and select this glowy text, and I'm going to put it on my image so it's going to look something like this. Then I'm just going to paste the translated phrase from Google Translate in there, and I'm going to customize it a little bit so it's going to stand out a little bit more. Position it something like this and change its color to, let's say, red, just like this. And this is pretty much all you need to do on Canva. What you want to do is click on share button, and you want to click on download and save this as a PNG. Once you save it to your computer, you want to go to Google and you want to search for Google Sites. Hit search and just go to Google Sites, and pretty much what you want to do here is create a simple landing page from scratch using this blank button that's going to serve as a bridge page between the source of traffic and the actual video, and in the middle we are going to position this content locker that's going to be making us money. So what you want to do to create such a landing page is to go back to Google Translate, and this time you want to type in there funny animal videos. As you can see right here, you get this translated into however you pronounce this. I'm not going to even to try that, but what I'm going to do is just copy this, go back to Google Sites, paste it in there, customize it a little bit. For example, let's make this larger. Okay, then I'm also going to change this background because I'm not a huge fan of this color, so I'm just going to select a new image, and let's go with this one, for example. And I'm also going to change the style of this text into something like this. Then what you want to do is go to this toolbar, you want to click on images and upload the image you created on Canva, something like this. And now comes the part where we are going to be making money. Go back to OG Ads, and what you want to do is go to tools and create a content locker. Just click on create a content locker right here, and pretty much all you need to do is just fill in this field that says name. So I'm just going with something like this. This is just for your own reference. You can put anything you want in there. Then just scroll all the way down here, and right here you can see that the remove action needs to be selected to redirect to another URL. Just go back to the video of the funny animals that you grabbed your link from, then just copy it one more time, go back to OG Ads and paste it into this required field. And the important part, what you need to do is scroll up here and select advanced, and right here in this payout threshold, what you want to do is select at least $1 less. That's the amount of content locker that you want to be used, because the content locker that we are going to be using is going to pay $13.33. So you want to put in there at least $12, so it's going to display only content lockers above $12 threshold. Then what you want to do is go to these desktop options, and in this desktop offer type, you want to prioritize CPA plus pin submits, then CPI. Do the exact same thing for mobile, just as well. Select CPA plus pin submit, okay, and then just click on create a locker. And as you can see right here, this is your content locker that's going to be created. It's going to display how much money you have made with it, and what you want to do to actually drive traffic to it. Just click on these actions, click on details, and what you want to do is copy this script that is right here. Just copy it, go to your Google site, and what you want to do is click on embed right here, and you want to paste your code into this embed code field. Just paste it in there, click on next, and it's going to embed this content locker to your Google site. What you want to do is position it next to the image, something like this, for example. Then just go ahead and add a text box right below it, and what you want to do is go to Google Translate one more time, and you want to type in there complete the content locker to access the video. then just go ahead and copy the translated French text, go back to your Google site, paste it in there, and you want to position it right below the content locker and also go ahead and customize it to make it a little bit more visible. Then what you want to do is go back to OG ads and you want to copy this red link right here, hop to your Google site one more time and select this image, and you want to click on this embed button and paste it in there. This way you will make a double sure that every time somebody is going to come to this landing site, and even if they don't complete this content locker, they are going to click on this image, they will be taken to the content locker anyway, and if they want to see the video, they will actually have to complete it. What you want to do then is just pretty much click on publish, and you want to publish this site by choosing a domain for it. So I'm just going to type in there something like this, which I grabbed from Google Translate, which pretty much means funny animal videos in French, because I want this to be themed for French people and French speaking audience. So I'm just going to type in there something like this and click on publish, and your site is going to go live. What you want to do then to drive the most amount of relevant French traffic to it is just go to Facebook and you want to go to the search bar and type in there the exact same phrase, funny animal videos in French, and you want to hit search. And right here you can see all the groups dedicated to funny animal videos that are in French language, and you can see pretty much these are getting insane amount of viewership. For example, this group right here, only this one single group has 25,000 plus members, and this one right here, which is not entirely dedicated to funny animals but is dedicated to funny videos in general, has over 270,000 members. So what you want to do is pretty much go through these Facebook groups and you want to create a simple post with your website in it, and you want to type in there something like this, for example. Now I'm not going to even try to pronounce this because I don't speak French and I will definitely butcher it, but it pretty much means something like this: hey, check out this funny video, I can't stop laughing from what happens there. What you want to do is just go ahead and copy this text, create a simple Facebook post in these Facebook groups dedicated to funny videos in French language, and you want to put the link to your Google landing site in there so that every time somebody is going to click on it, they will want to see this video, they will have to complete the content locker, they will be taken to the video, they will get to see it, and you're going to get paid. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this free traffic CPA marketing method. Now if you want to learn the exact same affiliate marketing strategy that I'm using myself to make around $7,000 per month without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using this YouTube channel or any of my social media, and I'm still getting results just like this, averaging anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000 per week, as you can see right here. So if you want to learn this exact same method, just go to the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. Now if you want to see some more free money making content, try checking out one of these videos that are popping up on the screen just about now. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you there.